Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Tool Tuesday. We'll be talking about these guys today. These are the Armor Tool Auto Adjust drill press or bench clamps. They're a bit different than a standard clamp because they've only got one arm on them. This is super handy. If you haven't seen these before, you have to check out how these work. These clamps come in two sizes. There's the one with the 6-inch reach or the one with the 3-inch reach we see here. They also have two different fittings available for the bottom. You'll receive both of these with your Armor Tool clamp. What they are is auto-adjusting pressure clamps, so you can get any pressure between 5 pound and 250 pound clamping force, which is pretty great. They're a one-handed clamp and they're an auto-adjuster. So that means it doesn't matter if the piece you're clamping is thick or thin, this part which connects to either your drill press or your bench using the supplied hardware locks in there, and then you'll see this little winder at the back here. That's to adjust the pressure of the actual clamp. Now if you're clamping something thick or something thin, it's the same movement. You don't have to adjust anything. The clamp does all the work to work out what you're doing. So they're pretty fantastic. They have an adjustable head on the top, so if you're doing taller or shorter pieces that you're needing to clamp and work on, it will automatically adjust for that too. So they're pretty smart little clamps. For more information on these Armor Tool clamps or anything else in the Armor Tool range, click on the link below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week.